We're back again with another Yonke's episode. Today we got this 1987 Buick Turbo T. Give you guys the quick exterior walk around like always. And then we'll talk about some other modifications. The owner's Instagram is always at the end of the video, just in case you guys have any more questions. You guys could message them directly. So up here in the front, the bumpers were color matched. Front and rear bumper color matched to the car. Got a nice blue paint job, same as the original color except with the pearl added to it. Stock engine. Got the red Optima battery. Nice little carbon fiber piece right here on the top to cover the radiator. And it has a hydro boost conversion with the Willwood master reservoir right there. Sitting on some custom wheels. They are 22-inch wheels wrapped in 245/30. Brush face with the glossy black lip. Back here you got the wider lip, also a 22-inch wheel, 295/25. We got the Alden coilovers back there. Sway bar and all that. So it's been cut up for some clearance to run these big wheels. It's been notched. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the notch right there in the frame. Look at these door handles. Buick T-type. Got the T-type floor mats, sunroof and all that good stuff. Pretty clean interior. Walk over to the driver's side. Like I said, color match rear bumper as well. Power windows and locks on this car. Got the boost gauge up here on the pillar, and the volts, the little RPM right there on the steering column. Turbo 3.8 liter engine. The little scan master thing right there on the dash. Soundstream head unit. Got the little Kenwood equalizer. Oil and water gauge, and got this nice bezel right here by the shifter. Buick Motorsports with the T-type, bad to the bone. It even has T-type right here on the seat. I'm gonna have him turn it on so you guys could hear what this engine sounds like. That's it for this video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys can follow this build. And And also make sure to follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.